Hello everyone, my name is John Sebastian Celis Diaz. I'm a student of English 7. Number 1. What is your purpose for studying English as a foreign language? I know that learning a language is not only about personal effort. What happens in the classroom, like getting along well as a group and having good relationships with teachers and classmates, has a big impact on our progress and on how willing we are to take risks when speaking. That's why my goal is not just to learn, but to take part in a team environment where I can practice and enjoy the process. The cohesion of the classroom group is an important factor in our willingness as students to take risks and invest ourselves in the learning task. Number 2, regarding the nature of language study, what aspects imply acquiring speaking skills? When we learn a language, speaking is not only about learning words, it's feel safe to make mistakes. Mm, the way the classroom works, like having good relationships and feeling part of the group, helps us feel more confident and ready to talk when we feel connected with our classmates and teacher. It becomes easier to participate and practice without fear. The cohesion of the classroom group is an important factor in our willingness as students to take risks and invest ourselves in the learning tasks. Number 3. After planning your language study and especially to enhance your speaking skills, how can you assess your progress? After planning my language study, especially to improve my speaking skills, assessing my progress involves both self-reflection and interaction with others. Speaking is not only about accuracy, but also about the ability to communicate effectively in real situations. According to Ehrman and Dorje 1998, interpersonal dynamics in the classroom influence our willingness to speak. This means that part of assessing progress is noticing how comfortable I feel participating in conversations. Number 4. How can you organize lifelong language learning? Mention specific strategies from your experience and the references. In my personal experience, I believe that learning a language means organizing your time and being consistent with discipline until you achieve mastery of all the skills. According to Herman and Dorje 1998, language learning involves interactions, group cohesion, significantly influence motivation. When students feel comfortable, good time management should go hand in hand with building supportive learning relationships. The cohesion of the classroom group is an important factor in our willingness as students to take risks and invest ourselves in the learning task.